So on Monday, I joined this new app. I mean, it's not a new app. It's been around for some time, but I just find out about it. It's another way how you can be making money from your home just by reviewing other people's, other companies' products. Anyone can start today. Literally. So the way how the app works is you need to get an invitation code from someone, and then you can use the code to exchange it and get your free products. Now you also earning cash and reward points by just scrolling and watching other people video. So look, you guys, I started on Monday and I realized I'm gonna start sharing with you. So I was about at $60 at that point just by scrolling videos. So 2 days later, I was at this number, you guys. It's crazy just by watching other videos. And today I placed my first purchase. I exchanged it for a free product. And now it continues. You get paid for reviewing the product. So once your product arrives and you post your first video, for every view you get paid. And you guys, they are like 4 different tires. So I started on that tire. So when I spend some money, I'm getting, for every dollar I spend, I'm getting 50 cents back. Once I hit the next tire, which is only to post 3 videos. So once I hit the next tire, I'm gonna be getting $1 for every dollar I spend. Now the last tire is $4 for every dollar you spend. So if you spend 100, you get paid 300. So you made money, you guys. You actually making money. You can literally make thousands of dollars just by reviewing other people's product. You get discounted product and free products, and it's insane. So I placed my first order today. I'm gonna start reviewing, and I'm taking you on this journey with me so you can see how much money I can make and you can start. If you would like your first invite code, that way you can get started and start exchanging your money for a product, then let me know, because this invite code has to be given to you by someone to start reviewing and start making money on this app. Now I will send you the invite code once you ask me, but I don't ever know how much money you're gonna get, because the app decides how much money it's gonna give to every person. So it varies. You can get anywhere between $35 to like $75 or even $100 to exchange for your first order. And again, once you start watching video and scrolling, you getting more money. So you can exchange that for a product. It's like mind-blowing. I've never seen anything like it. I'm going full focus on this, and I'm taking you on this journey with me.